against the constitution. Now, do you understand? And then when the chase Baumia dwene wo form, Baumia the tisa kuraba na dwene wo form ontumi dwene beyond baby ojina. Because when somebody goes to steal, and it is the state against Kwame Atta. I didn't know we are the most important because it's ya Ghana mra. You as an ex-vice president who is daft, Ghana's constitution is trying to protect you because politics ama mumu bimu Jimmy ewa MPP munti nobody could advise Baumia say the arrest na yakwache sa NDC no or misinforming disinforming can some gu wufi no. It is not about you. It is about the state making sure they do their job. Senebeya obiabe will say yewo emra echechere man. In 2024, Mahmoud Baumia said, beware of misinformation, disinformation. Mahmoud Baumia, the same person and because of dirty politics, childish, mediocre politics in 2024, he was preaching against disinformation and misinformation. This is the same clown. After all these things, you see this? This was 2024. 2024. The Joker. I catch the Ghana for say Joker mean the move because Baumia is Joker. Baumia calls for NDC organizers' prosecution over alleged insult be dropped. Now, this is 2026, sorry. Recently, NDCDB some eguba umia some ana enim misinformation and disinformation or can some atu bi so abranya no kre. Wachachira some order to Baumia so abranya no kre. And a police kofa nipa no say omri ko gina court Mahamudu Baumia ekachire NDC aban any police security agencies nya say abrante na wa commit crime. Because when you read the criminal act, who read Ghana Mrana, they are branded here, were committed crime. Now, at the end of the day, who is in charge of every single Ghanaian's security is the Ghana Security Services, the police, the military, Yoku, CID office. They are in charge of Obia security, including ex-vice president Enenehire. Now, Obia committed a crime against the state. Remember, this man calling himself Baumia, Sebio says Sebio okenkan ade na onimu nyansa obehu se obi commit crime even when one can say you don't have the right to say oba na nye bibi okro. The moment you give birth to your child in Ghana, it becomes a property of the Republic of Ghana. It is obi commit crime by misinforming, disinforming, saying things about obi to say Baumia na aban no police, military, Yoko, the security agencies China. It is not because of you, Baumia Tini Chino. Ya chini pani because we commit offense etia or minor mra. Baumia Jimmy Kakranti, he thought this is politics as usual. Baumia Junior form nipa mo ben and entumi to no form Jiminti. He thought it was let us do this for political fans. No. The arrest now, police service arrested. They are not arrested because of you, Baumia. They arrested the man because he committed a crime against the state, against the constitution. Now, do you understand? And then when the chase Baumia dwene wo form, Baumia the tisa kuraba na dwene wo form ontumi dwene beyond baby ojina. Because when somebody goes to steal, and it is the state against Kwame Atta, that means obi ko wiade na cheno. Na ye wuni pa krompa sebio okowi ade free na aban to me chire di ko gina court na prosecutor agina ho akasa wa wiade ade na wa wiade na most important because etia Ghana mra. You as an ex-vice president who is daft, the state, Ghana's constitution is trying to protect you because politics ama mumu bimu Jimmy ewa MPP munti nobody could advise Baumia say the arrest na yakwache sa NDC no or misinforming, disinforming can some gu wufi no. It is not about you. It is about the state making sure they do their job. Senebeya obiabe will say yewo emra echechere man no. And this arrest police arrest NDC communicator no. The arrest was to make sure nobody disinforms, misinforms, say things that are not true on other people. But you see, December 2026. Now, when you go to 2024, Mahmoud Baumia ende obia kan sem etonso. As we speak today, Baumia is being paid by the taxpayer. Baumia is being taken care of like a slave by the taxpayer. Me and you and I, Baumia. Baumia is our property. We take care of Baumia. Ne draws obeshe, insu obenum, baby obedare, baby obeda, ka obetlim, per diem, yani Baumia. He is our property. He's like a puppet. He's like a doll on our lap. Into everything about Baumia, it should be the concern of the state. Now, Mahmoud Baumia, okay, and there, Obia disinforming, amaline, no, adifemuna, abino, and I'm talking about the state taking care of it now, or say penino. In 2024, Mahmoud Baumia said, beware of misinformation, disinformation. Mahmoud Baumia, the same person, and there because of dirty politics, childish, mediocre politics in in 2024, he was preaching against disinformation and misinformation. This is the same clown who is out there telling us to say, so be against the state laws, the criminal act offenses, any idea. We should not do it because the same. It is not about you. Because if this arrest the NDC made was about you, Baumia, now okay say the state, the constitution should allow the man go. And you, Baumia, you don't need the protection of Ghana Police Service. You don't need the national security to protect you. You don't even need to take salary from us as Ghanaians. Because say, oh, gee, protection. Oh, Baumia to kwanya ope police. Oh, to kwanya ope military. Oh, to kwanya ope national security protect you. That is what the constitution provides. That's what the act says. It needs to protect every single Ghanaian from the people who malign, disinform, misinform, who even try to do what? Harm you. Now, why are American Muslim? You want the state to provide you with security. You want the state to give you shelter. You want the state to give you salary. But because if you don't want us to, the state, the constitution to protect you, they don't demand anything from the state. And I keep saying Baumia is childish. Baumia is not ripe to be a leader. Baumia is not somebody you can trust to make decisions that a leader or a responsible and things or be proactive would take. No. If you don't want the state to make sure they protect you from misinformation, disinformation, defamation, maligning, then don't also expect the state to give you any protection. Don't expect the state to give you any kind of security. Don't expect the state to give you any salary. Now, it's a why American Muslim out to Ghana. Also, now, when you read the 2024 statement from Mahmoud Baumia, and then Thursday, I wanted to take it slow. Now, the vice president, this 2024, no what power, no. I don't just see a Jimmy. Ona, what Jimmy Tiana Munye competition. The vice president, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, has warned against the increasingly powerful influence of misinformation and disinformation on national development, especially as the nation heads towards presidential and parliamentary elections. Now, August will say he has therefore called on all stakeholders, including the military and other security agencies, to be alert and vigilant to avoid falling for fake and misleading materials that could lead to unnecessary actions. Now, Tibaumia statement, now, disinformation campaigns targeted at both the civil populace, you, the armed forces, and government. Now, Tibia Yamakin read, this is Baumia's words. And I quote, we must understand that these acts do not only have the potential to throw the country into a state of anarchy, but also impact the wider security of the West African region. I encourage you, particularly after being given a detailed insight into the democratic control of the military, do dwell on the teachings to conduct yourselves professionally. It is imperative to ensure that stability and the tenets of democracy are upheld always. End of quote. Mahmoud Baumia in 2024 was telling Ghana telling the military, telling the security agencies to do what? Protect every single citizen from misinformation, disinformation, defamation. Now, koto de budget. And the work opposition na NDC ni bi kasetia kansama enim na odibibi to so na abide the states. Sa emrana na ujina hosha obatakarike kankwasi asem no is taking care of business. Why better just say you don't need it? If you don't need states to protect you, then you don't deserve anything from the state. Me say, Mungo kanche mo ba omiano, the clown. Criminal Offences Act, my committee biana. Mungo kanche mo ba omiano, the clown. Say, o se o nya se state no be bo no ho ban from misinformation, disinformation, maligning, and whatever, then he should not also seek any help from the state. He's not supposed to write to the government protocol that he needs state protection. Who has state protection? Who are American Muslim? Who you preku and I won't preku kwine. Why also you preku and so person don't preku kwine. You don't need the state, but you want the state to give you money. You want the state to give you shelter. You want the state to protect you. No. We are not going to live in a jungle where people decide which one should favor them. We are not going to entertain this nonsense. If you don't need a state to arrest people, defaming you, destroying, and they're going against the constitution and the laws, then you don't have the moral right to even ask for a penny from the government of the day. Because the state's responsibility is to protect every single individual, including you, an American Muslim who does not eat pork but drink pork soup. So I am letting the MPP understand, and we call break, we must a demonstration. Democracy under attack. Moi. Wow. MPP for. You, the MPP followers, you are so stupid. Now, let's read this. Mubeko jail. And I know why I'm doing this, because Mubeko jail. Now, when you read this document, this is Ghana Mra. Makwasiya bi metena TV so nka say ye nkwara no mugu TikTok no ye nkwara no e wona bo so ye kwasiya o ye wo no ho ye nkwara no de echichi omo me say wo ye kwasiya ye wo no ho waba okuro mu da onimu maame asem a wo ka no busansa ade no no onka se wo se Kevin Taylor de atema ade na katensa ade no no so ndi atemim nante asem na wo ka na ono ka se koso kan katensa okotena TV so a onka na oka wi a no hwe bebi obegina kwasiafo. Now, in Ghana, threatening another person with death is specifically a criminal offense. Ghana mranu no chere say oya den o threaten obi life say ube kuna also kodem a criminal offense. In Kofono Mugu prison 99% of them, they did what? They threatened the life of the president's wife. Abaning ya bonibia, police in ya bonibia, rebuilding no, resetting no. O reset your maya, dear nipebi ya enya emo mano, sebi one ewo sa time no. O reset no kwasebia dia tem, and I sebi o threaten obi life also dem embrand kind of clearly. Now, when you go for it, says this, it is dealt with under the Criminal Offences Act 1960, Act 29, rather than primarily under the Constitution. Inti ewo mrada wa sa o threaten obi so obi kuna ewo so ko gine fiachini ye jelu. Inti from ende, anybody who threatens a Ghanaian, whether the president, whether the vice, whether anybody, obikro only to me no. So you Ghana ni na utina TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, den. Certain obi life obi kuna na obi kuna. I will say ye jailu, and I totally wholeheartedly do what support it, and we will all make sure it happens. Moya si be in the TikTok I clean. Moya si na Facebook I clean. And the monje si be in from mu hwam. Ni nyina say obakwasia jail in order. Now, Mami Kobenim. What the law says, Embrana dia neka, neka chro, o ye ne chwa be jelu he. Ye ne na Facebook ni TikTok o. O ka se bi na what let be report o ni acho. Yeah, and normal. Ai, ye internet snitches. Ye ne so ye ne na mo ho. Ye hwehwea. O ka bibi ne hu so what let be acho. Ye be chew u be dem. Ye ne hwehwea, we the internet snitches. Ye hwehwea, ye say police dog. Yeah, cheers, the sniffers, yeah, who's our twabia, hey, Mokofano Mokov, Abuofunu, and Brandon, I make catch on. Wega, a show too. Quasia for Munimunansa. Yan son of Padia Papaya to near the ADA, sense of the chair, no, any and TikTok, Facebook, near him. Oh, yes, so better to be alive as I can out. You have been called, Mudiamu Pamon try here. You bet you, oh, Bomodam. Paragraph 3, and I quote, a person, no, what the law says, Section 75 of the Criminal Offences Act 1960, Act 29 provides, and I quote, a person who threatens any other person with death with intent to put that other person in fear of death commit a second-degree felony. End of quote. You see, Ghana Nibia Sebio Obakacho Nyoku Ghana Nisa, whoa, mekum. Would ye me for crime be so crampa, may you a free ho? Just say, why dream Mukrano to get a dear Maya Wono, what's any panel or set yet true if you say the Criminal Offence Act 1969 is stated out clearly. Way and yet degree now here to understand. Ochina, or threaten will be on Facebook, TikTok, ya bet show. A coup father than the show abeda, ubedem. Mahmoud Baumia about the show and wakwada, ubedem. And this is non negotiable. You would go to jail. Remember, this is not the time for us to be like this. You go to jail. Give me 5 minutes. Give me 3 minutes. Team, I want you to pull something out for me. Give me 5 minutes. There's something I want to do.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. They've been in existence for a long time and have been changing their names up till this day. The nature of who they are. Listen. Munjir. The nature of who they are, what they are, where they've come from, is something they are happy with, and they will be there for a long time. Let's not mimic their behavior. Let us reach into the principles and the values that emerged out of the circumstances that gave birth to us. And if we can hold onto those principles and those values, we will move way into the future and no one can ever defeat us. We will ride and override any obstacle as we did in the past. The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. They've been in existence for a long time and have been changing their names up till this day. The nature of who they are. Listen. Munjir. The nature of who they are, what they are, where they've come from, is something they are happy with, and they will be there for a long time. Let's not mimic their behavior.
So, so the laws are clear. Say, Obia, I was say, Udum. And all my they deserve to be in jail. You might have your own reservations because why do you say politics as usual? Why buy any power? And at the end, no, they have committed a crime. They need to be in jail. And in fact, most of them are supposed to stay in jail for long because they threatened people. This is not the issue of, you see, sentiments. Being emotional about issues does not change the facts in court. Being emotional about issues does not change the facts in court. When a judge sits, they look at the facts. So your commentary outside and the tables will turn, the future is pregnant, and we will see what will happen. It does not change the facts in court. Because when the MPP were in power, I'm not trying to equalize anything, the facts in court made so many people go to jail. Why is the NPP opposition? Now the court, they are dealing with the fact. You are sitting there saying, say, when the tables turn, what you people need to do, MPP, you need to be going around and advising those who talk to you and say, it is not about Kevin Taylor. It is not about what Kevin Taylor says. Because from what Kevin Taylor is saying, and I say, what Kevin Taylor says, he has not threatened anybody's life. That is what the MPP you need to do. You need to call these piglets on social media, on Facebook, whatever, and tell them, why in a bit much a threat Kevin Taylor threatening saying Kokubi, Kevin Nipakona for Kevin Taylor and court. Because when I want to who defend this uncle, so be surrounded per se, Obekunwa. Are you going to sit there? No, you are going to report. It is a MPP in the Munyansa. They just have to do what? They just have to get up and say, we want to make sure we train, we talk to your followers. And say, what you are doing, when you threaten, you go to jail. Because so one moment, Tiasia, Mama will say, the Omo are right, but don't want to go to jail, and they have to be in jail. Now, when you read the last part of this document, it says, so if someone tells another person, for example, and I quote, I will kill you, and the circumstances show that the person intended to put that victim in fear or being killed, that can constitute to offense of threat of death. So obi kra threat obi say wo mekum keke. So obi go to TikTok say Muhammad ye mekuno. Muhammad ye minyana mekuno. Hwe mo amwo mo koku Muhammad at sa eno kra keke no obedem. Ubedem. If you don't underestimate these things, remember kwasiebia or per party position and that and say the table will change in the koka say omo ayechi omo ko shebu nyina wo ho busu afo TV so da omo because of threats ka so meku nipa yen koku president yen koku wei yen say what is omo hu nipa ehiafo mba buburo nkwasiafo and more will go to jail. I can promise you that so many of you people will go to jail. It is when you threaten and you incite, and you actually will say, I can threaten and incite. Oh, me munya na munkuno. Ukasa ubedem. Now, let me show you something. Media education na me ye sene be ya ye ba TikTok. Na se be hu say wo threaten obi and now we incite it. A group of people or some people say omunkoku obi omunko say ya na yeso ya catch police ni achew. Se me yebia catch police na nipa no file complain ya mechime se me catch enkoku obi a. But as far as I know, when I insult, I don't threaten, I don't incite. Me catch enkoku obi nkuno. Me catch enkoku obi eye dey entwanity. It is a why you say MPP no your papa dia it will be TikTok akekan kwase asema wo bedam. And you see that idea of pampering people in Ghana and kwasiafo ai we dey uchi e ba ba ma ai wo ba ba ma chi obi. Say, yeah, the Emrano achi obi akotum because of the kwasia. Now I junior also ba abema obechi obi a unya power na wachi obi. Because obi anyway ya chi na time free fear go to jail. Obi a chi bia went through the court. See, so obi a court it is the court that makes sure say Emrano ni di. Into there for kwasia tina oga say ya ban ba power into meka we ubedem. Yani we are on social media, we have men, they are monitoring every single statement. You can criticize, you can insult, nobody cares. But if you threaten and incite, you go to jail. May catch is a promise. Now let's read this. Under the Criminal Offences Act, 1960 Act 29, a second-degree felony is punishable by imprisonment for a term not exceeding 10 years, where no specific punishment is provided for the particular offense. You see, Ghana Mrane Chere say, Yefre BB Criminal Offences Act 1960. You'll be a second degree felony. And then they say, Udi Saadiano, U threaten, U incite ya. You can go to prison, you bet too much what to not less than 10 years. Not exceeding 10 years. It will make them 9 years, 8 years, 7 years, 6 years. Ube dem. And you see, the issue is say, I know Mube say, made them make us our TikTok and gentlemen ya becha. Yane ya ready. Me akobedu. Me nkasi enkoku obi. Me incite groups of nkoku ni pebi. What I do is I criticize. Yes, I insult, but I have not committed a crime for insulting. Mwanga sa boy sa nkuma ene mumpeni for mu team nanim eka kire mu say so udi atema enye crime. Atenye any threat different things unless you don't understand. Sameka say akwa we de oye jimi for ne kasa ne nye ade o kan na nyansa bi edima medina tem kra me commit crime. But Sameka say akwa we oye jimi for wonko chini ko twa ne tia ma commit offense. Inti samo kasa munsue nyansa na mwejimi. And I want to let you people know, maame fo na mo hwe me no, papa fo a mo hwe me, mo a mo magugu TikTok no montu o mo fo say hey, Kevin Taylor na aka akire mo no, ukoye kin na echewa obedam because emra no da ho. It states it clearly. Enya de ebeso kwase bia so, wa obe wa adwene say Ghana mra no beso obusu no ko busa say reset na say kire say. Kobusa said resetting no as say. Now, when you read the second paragraph, let me read this to you. Second paragraph, say. So right now we have established, say, death threats. Ubetima dem between 1 and 9 years, and exceeded 10 years. Okotina TikTok, I say, I munku president no, munku ne yere no, ubetima dem 9 years, 9.5 years. Ubedem. Now, for threats of death under Section 75, therefore, the offense is classified as second-degree felony, and the court can impose imprisonment within applicable statutory limits. Inti, memo bianya na adwene say, obeka asema fa nwedi, me MPP ni, onya MPP ni nchen ba afọ akoto wie sikadete party. Yes, we na mo pese bo betino. Sa asema me kai obi ni obetuma cheme. Mese ba afọ akoto no oje bribe and the tea party obi ni obetuma cheme me committee crime bia o Ghana. Yes, because ba afọ akoto no ye chiame onya 700 pounds na say sa chiame no oja demudie sa chiame no hu market na offer me court, but that is not a criminal offense. But so betina TV so kata an and yen goku ba afọ akoto de ye be chew so we jimi a tio I know mo jimi nti mo sorry a and we di atam me di atam at the end of the day Ghana branches ma committee crime na moral. It's a moral thing. Ebia Kevin, we di atem enye emfatao. Be ma fine to say wo ho ofe na odi atemi e Miami decision. Tie me na wo ye kwasea. Me say these are decisions we make personally. They are moral decisions. Hey, now brantie pa na odi atem say me na mpese me ya brantie me di atem. Hey, now brantie no ho say na kasa efri na no odi ni patem me oba Ghana mbrema me ye de me commit crime. But se me decide say meka say yemekum meka che nipa bi say mo dia montete na mo body trimutuo na mo nkuna that one ma committee an offense nipa na meka tia de betuma acheme aban betuma acheme abuya say ade na meka asem no in this immediate anything that what is and comfort say Kevin di atem time ekufo ado was but obi antumi ka say Kevin commit crime obi antumi ka say Kevin explicitly ka say yenkoku obi no. Obi antumi ka say Kevin committed crime because no catch a Ghana for nya so mo check for obunkunu no enti so we jimi a na obi atena TV so aka just say Kevin di atem yes the only attempt that no got na hwe aso a wow problem. But as far as I know, so one person be called jailer, you need to refrain from crossing the line of being threatening people or inciting people. You need not to. So I'm catch will say sebio mini anwa santifo sebio mumubi mundi no kre into na MPP dada mo am incite obia. I am letting them understand. So I'm say asantifo ni bi Nicaragua for the bi mama MPP sebio ejimi mu a I'm not inciting anybody against them. So I'm asantifo ni bi petumia omo MPP for omo petumia omo say akanfo nyina mbra together na omo nya tumi wia na omo de tumi na komenhia na omo je so omo makare jimi I am not inciting anybody against you. I am letting you know there's a difference between inciting, threatening, and insults. Enti mo nkwara na mo gu social media TikTok na mo ejimi no. Munsie nyansa no. We are on social media. There are so many people like myself. We are monitoring. Ubedem. Mesidian ubedem. Enti at this point, I have no option than to do what? To advise you, okay?
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.